Hey guys, good morning. Today we're going to be learning how to dance Eguku, okay? And the first thing you need to know that Eguku has nothing to do with your nyash, alright? It has a lot to do with technique. Your hip joint, your knee joint. Your hip joint, your knee joint. That's the first thing you need to consider when you are dancing Eguku, alright? So the first step you need to know is you bend down. You can never dance Eguku when you're standing straight. So always bend down. And how you can do this is when you put your hands straight, make sure that your back is arched. Your back is arched. So you always arch your back. Okay? So keep your hands straight. I don't want to see you slouching like this. I need your back to be arched when you're dancing. Okay? Bend down like this. The first thing you need to know is there are two styles of the dance. There are two styles. So when one knee bends, right? Let me show you from the back side. When one knee bends, the other knee straightens. And that's how you form one movement. Okay, so it's the bending of one knee and the straightening of the other knee that forms the first movement. So bend, bend, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight. So this is extending while this is flexing. All right, let me show you from the side. So you bend, 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 bend. When your left knee is bending, your right knee is straightening. When your left knee is bending, your right knee is straightening. When the right knee is bending, the left knee is straightening. Okay, so it is bend, 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 straighten, bend, straighten, bend, straighten, bend, straighten. I repeat again, the other knee is straightening. So we are exaggerating our movement. We're exaggerating our movement. So it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm going to do that collectively. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is if you are standing in one place. I'm going to move with it. That's a whole different ballgame. We're going to take that in another class. I hope with these few points of mine, I have been able to convince you and not confuse you on how to start Eguku dance. So I'm going to start this with a song, and then I'll show you how to do the one movement, the single movement with a song.